Yeah, good morning again. I am myself, the great Olajide, and I want to say thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel and helping to broadcast and also following me on my IG handle. I quickly want to share something this morning in line with what we are discussing about the little member of the little member of our body that controls the whole member of the body. I just want to say this morning, and I want you to go back to God, or I want you to take this up in your spirit and to pray about it. Firstly, regardless of what might have happened to you in the time past, or regardless of what mistakes you might have committed, I need you to forgive yourself from the past first, because most of the time, the hold on the past is stronger over our life by we not forgiving ourselves first and giving it back to God there, because God says that the prayer Jesus taught the disciples that teach us how to pray. He said, forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who also sin against us. So I need you to forgive yourself, because if you fail to forgive yourself and forgive your parent there, you might find it hard in order to believe what the word of the Lord is saying concerning your case or saying concerning your life, and you put it on your lips there and start saying it out of your mind. Every word of the Lord is prophetic in itself, but the one that the Lord have said concerning your life that you can only activate by you believing it and putting it on your lips, start saying it, can only be done if you forgive yourself of the past. Let me say this to you. Anyone who fails to forgive himself or herself from error of the past committed is holding to himself a if you refuse to forgive yourself of things that happened in the past, you have before you, or you have within your bosom, a self-destroying weapon, which is what will limit you, because devil will be reminding you of such things. So what I'm trying to say this morning, number one, in order for you to start saying the right thing, number one thing that you need to see, don't look at the mistake of your parent or the mistake you might have committed. You look into the perfect law of liberty, which is the word of the Lord, and you take that word on your mouth, on your lips there, and start saying out of your mouth. It might take time, but stay with it, because whatsoever you say, remember, will be made use against or for you in the court of heaven. The same way that the policeman will say, you have the right to remain silent, for whatsoever you say will be used against you in the court of heaven or in the court of the law. So before God also, the whatsoever you say will be used against you or be used for you in that same court of heaven. I want to say to you this morning, please forgive yourself and move on. It is not about the mistake of your father. It's not because your father has 2 wives or 3 wives. Look, you have come to know this truth. Whatsoever you want to become lies within you, and lie with what you say out of your mouth. It doesn't lie with what your father might have done. It doesn't lie with what the government is doing right now. It's you taking it on your lips. What do you want to become? And I want to say this to you. I was praying over the night, and for those who receive the voice note or prayer, I want you to go before the Lord and start praying today. Whatsoever that is meant for my disgrace, whatsoever is meant for shame, let it be turned around for my good. Joseph said in Genesis chapter 50, verse 20, he said, you meant it for evil, but God turned it around. This month is a month whereby God will turn a lot of things around, but you need to pray about it. So I want you to use this day to pray that whatsoever is meant to bring disgrace to you or to bring shame to you, Lord, by your mercy, turn it around to grace, and turn it around to grace for lifting, and turn it around for my own honor. So please make sure that this is what you do, and I believe God with you. You will never regret every moment of your life. I still remain myself the grace of today. Happy New Month, and please stay safe. God bless you.